Welcome student. In previous lecture we completed the first poem, that is the Be the Best. You have to do the exercise given below that poem. And now in this lecture we are going to start a new lesson, that is the Androcles and the Lion. This is the ancient story. Uh, in This is the ancient story from Europe, that the let us read this story. Long ago there lived a kind, gentle and a courteous man. Courteous means a gentleman, okay, polite, called Androcles. So the name of that person is Androcles. But he had a very cruel master. Although Androcles was a kind, gentle, he had a cruel master, very cruel master. Um, he works at the some other rich person. That person is very cruel. In that time, king, noble and other rich people, wealthy persons used to keep poor people as their slave. Androcles also a slave. The slaves were forced to work for their master. They had to do what their master told them. They had no freedom, no right. So that Androcles was a poor person and a slave at the one rich and wealthy person, and he had that person was a cruel. So Androcles faces a very hardship at that rich person. They had to do whatever their master told them. They had no freedom, no right. Even when they were unhappy with their master, they could not leave them. So there is a compulsion on the poor people to be a slave. They did not have any freedom of choice, the choice of their master, and they did not have a right to leave their master. They are bounded by law to obey their master. Um, Even their master was cruel. Androcles did not like his heartless, weak master. His master starved his slaves, often whipped upon with them. So they are so much cruel that they used to whip their slaves. So Androcles also get wiped by his master. Androcles felt that even death was better than serving such a master. He kept looking out for a good opportunity. So Androcles was in search of opportunity of running from that master, slavery of that master. At first chance he escaped from the clutches of the of his cruel master. So after one day, he, after so many days, uh, getting hardship at that master, he was in the search of opportunity uh, to lift this slavery. He got a chance and escaped from that master. Now, although Androcles had thus run away, he was not a coward. So he run from that master, but he was a brave person and he was not afraid from that cruel master. He took shelter in the forest. So he ran from that master into the forest to get a shelter. He was not afraid of a wild beast that roamed in the forest. He was a brave person, and so he did not fear. He did not have any fear of the lion and tigers. He did not mind that he had no roof over his head. He was happy that he was free as a bird to go wherever he wished. Now, after escaping from that cruel master, he was free, and he liked this freedom. So he became very happy. One day, as he was wandering in the forest, so he is roaming in the forest, he suddenly came face to face with the lion. uh, he got interactions with lion. His first reaction was to turn and flee. He afraid from that lion, and he wanted to run away from the lion, but then he saw that the lion had not moved on seeing him. It neither growled uh, he, nor roared. He neither growled nor roared. In fact, it looks at him piteously, as if it was a great pain. So, Androcles look at the lion carefully. That lion was not uh, growled and roared towards him, and as he looked at the lions also look Androcles very piteously, as he was in a great pain. Androcles paused. Then he moved very cautiously towards the lion, step by step. So Androcles tried to move towards the lion very carefully. The lion moaned and whimpered. Moan means made a painful sound, and whimpered means cried painfully. Please help me, its eyes seemed to say. So, when Androcles looked at the lion, he felt that lion was in a great pain, and the face of lion was uh, whimpered, and the sound of that lion was moan. When Androcles drew near, the lion lowered his head and began to lick its paw. When Androcles reaches at reaches at lion. The lion lowered his head and lick means uh, panja, paw, its paw. That paw, actually, that the paw of lion was wounded, sore, and swollen. Okay. So due to this wound, the lion was uh, in lion was in a severe pain. He feeling very serious pain. On the closer look, Androcles look very carefully at a lion. Androcles noticed that the big thorn had pierced one of the lion's toe. So this is the cause of lion's distress, thought Androcles. So Androcles, when Androcles looked carefully at the lion and its paw, he found a thorn into the paw of that lion. So he come in to know that this lion feels a pain due to this thorn. Summoning up all courage, summoning, gathering. Okay, he gathering courage. He gathered courage and stretched his hand slowly towards the injured paw. He was afraid that the lion would attack him if he touched its swollen paw, but the lion seemed to understand his good intention, the purpose. So lion also understand his good purpose. Androcles took the paw in his left hand. Deftly, skillfully, and quickly, he pulled out the thorn. So actually, Androcles also afraid from that lion, but he put the paws in his left hand and pull out the thorn. Then tearing a piece of his own clothing, then he tear his own clothes, and the kind man bound up the lion's injured paw. To his surprise and wonder, the lion then licked his arm, and if to show gratitude, lick म्हणजे चाटणे. Okay, the lion lick his arm and show gratitude. He lion shows a thankfulness character towards Androcles. Androcles remained with the lion till it could walk again. He would hunt the forest and shared his food with the helpless beast. Every day he would clean and dress the lion's wound, so the lion was able to move about. Many times it followed Androcles wherever he went. So the relations between the lion and Androcles bonded up due to this wound. lion started following the Androcles. In the meanwhile, Androcles' master had complained to the authorities that his slave Androcles had run away. So there was a society of the uh, sir, there was a authority in the society of that ancient time who um, look after slavery. Slavery continue in that society, so that there are some people like police nowadays. Police, they are started searching of a slave Androcles. So the soldiers were sent in all direction to capture Androcles. So it was that authority was like a police nowadays police, and they started search for Androcles. They searched for him high and low, but couldn't find him. At least they came to the forest where Androcles lived. So they search everywhere in their society, but they are not found Androcles. So at the last time they came to the forest in search of Androcles, where they found him. So student, up to this point we come with the explanation or meaning hard word. This is basically the story of the bounded relationship of love due to service done by Androcles. It is of the lion. Androcles basically the meaning of this story is that Androcles was a slave at one person. He ran away from that slavery. He come into the jungle to get a shelter, where he found a lion who gets wounded, and he cured lion from that wound. He cured that wound of lion, and so lion started loving to Androcles and respect towards Androcles. But at that time there were authority who are like a police, that rich person, wealthy person complained at that authority that my slave is run away. That authority started to search these Androcles. They found these Androcles in the forest, and again that slavery of Androcles started. Okay, so up to this point, this story shows us that even animals keep memory of the person who loved them, who served them. Okay, this is the main story or outcome of this story. So now we will stop here. uh, we will complete this story in the next lecture. Okay.